Hello, I'm Michael Diamond. You're watching Muscle Central. Okay, first things first. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on your notifications. Okay, I think it was first broke by TMZ. George Peterson's autopsy has been released and died of cardiac dysrhythmia. Basically, another way of saying it was a heart attack. And the headlines have it, steroids are contributing factor. Now, they found, in the autopsy, they found some substances in his body. I believe it was Equipoise and Winstrol. Now, is it any surprise? He was a pro bodybuilder, and not just pro bodybuilders, athletes in all sports. It's part of the game. So to find it and to find it present in his body during the autopsy was not surprising. But they're making it like steroids was an immediate factor in his death, much like somebody ODing on heroin and dying. Yes, heroin will take too much at a given time. Yes, you can die and die quickly from it, but steroids don't work like that. Yes, I'm not saying they're innocent. Yes, over a period of time, if abused, most definitely can cause issues, but the way it was worded, it made it sound like they were an immediate contributing factor to the death of George Peterson. I mean, you got to remember also his father passed away. I believe it was actually at the same age that George was when he passed away. Now, as far as I know, his father wasn't a bodybuilder using steroids. So I'm sure there were some genetic factors involved. All right, this was a short video to conclude it. George Peterson's autopsy was revealed, cardiac dysrhythmia, heart attack. Yes, they found steroids in the system. He was a pro bodybuilder, not an immediate cause of his death like the headlines make it sound. And that's about it for this video. If you like this video, make sure you got to give it a thumbs up. You got to subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Also, if you go to the description box, you're going to find some links there. One link is to the Muscle Central Facebook page. Any questions, you can go there, DM me. I'd be happy to answer. You're going to find some links to Species Nutrition and Mr. Potts Protein. Click on both links. Click on both links. Go to both websites. Check out all their great products. Once again, this is Michael Diamond. I'd like to thank you for watching Muscle Central.